The sculpted decor of Sainte Radegonde Church dates back to the 12th century and is incredibly varied. Elements disappeared or damaged after 800 years of erosion were replaced during the 20th century restoration work by easily identifiable decorative features. The northern entrance to the church is a triptych that can be interpreted as a warning against the dangers of sin and a celebration of virtue. The left section represents man consumed by evil. Two dragons stand face to face, symbolizing the powers of hell as a monster gazes upon a reclining sinner ready to devour her soul. Christ, her only chance of salvation, appears in the center. The central section depicts the ways man can save his soul, shown across the three arches above the door. A group of men are pulling a rope, the end of which is tied to a lion, symbolizing the taming of passion. Acrobats form a human ladder, a symbol of mutual help to reach the kingdom of heaven. Lastly, we see the Lamb of God, flanked by angels. The right section of the triptych highlights the virtues of penance, symbolized by a figure lying face down on the ground, and the celestial vine, symbol of the paradise nearby. The capital to the left of the entrance may represent the biblical scene of Salome dancing before Herod, who offers her the head of St. John the Baptist as a reward. A variety of medallions on the chevet and on the other façades include depictions of animals, humans, and mythical creatures. Inside the church, the capitals are adorned with plants, monsters, and birds. To the left of the entrance, you can make out St. George using his shield to protect a woman from the attack of a dragon. Even at the feet of the small columns, there are sculpted heads and other forms. Elegant geometrical and botanical friezes surround the windows and punctuate the walls.